Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to add internet speed indicator to status bar. In the beginning, let's go to Play Store and now search for Internet Speed Meter app. Install this app. Open it. Allow, and now you can close the app. Swipe down notification bar and internet speed meter should be added to status bar shortly. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.